Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8A, Question number 10, Intermediate level. Question number 10. Find the value of each of the following. Part A, 6 whole 1 upon 5% of 1.35 milliliter. First we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction as shown in steps. Now multiply this percentage in form of fraction by 1.35 ml, then remove percentage sign by multiplying denominator by 100, as shown in steps. Now we will remove decimal, since there are two digits after decimal, so we place 100 in denominator, then simplify the fraction as shown. Therefore, 6 whole 1 upon 5% of 1.35 ml is 837 upon 10,000. Part B, 56 whole 7 upon 8% of 810 meters. First we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction as shown in steps. Now multiply this percentage in form of fraction by 810 meters, then remove the percentage sign by placing 100 in denominator as shown. Now simplify the fraction as shown in steps. After simplification we have 7,371 upon 16, that is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it to mixed fraction. Divide 7,371 by 16. By dividing 7,371 by 16 we have 460 whole 11 upon 16. Therefore 56 whole 7 upon 8% of 810 meters is 460 whole 11 upon 16 meters. Part C, 0.56% of 15,000 liters. First we have to convert decimal number to fraction, so we will remove decimal, since there are two digits after decimal, so we place 100 in denominator. Then we multiply this percentage in form of fraction by 15,000 as shown. Now remove percentage sign by multiplying denominator by 100. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. So after simplification we have 84. Therefore 0.56% of 15,000 liters is 84 liters. Part D, 2,000% of 5 cents. First multiply given percentage by 5, then remove percentage by multiplying denominator by 100. Now if there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. So after simplification we have 100 cents, as we know that 100 cents equals to $1, therefore 2,000% of 5 cents is $1. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.